So I welcome all the participants, and I'm happy to welcome the expert for our next session, Mr. Chandrakant Deoda. He is Senior Technical Delivery Manager, DevOps, Vistion Corporation Private Limited, Pune, and he is also working with Sahajyoga Trust. So I would like to introduce him to all of you. He is working as a Senior Technical Manager, as I already mentioned. He has completed Electronics and Instrumentation Science postgraduate from University of Pune in the year of 2004. With a brief stint in technical sales market, he has been largely associated with software and IT industry in India, USA, Japan for last 15 plus years, and have worked with various Indian and foreign companies including Wipro Technology, Johnson Control, Toshiba, etc. So he have been associated with and voluntarily conducting the Sahaj Yoga meditation programs and classes free of cost with various government organizations, schools, colleges, and private sector companies. So I am happy to introduce and welcome Mr. Chandrakant Deoda, and I would request him and invite him to start with his session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for this very good introduction. So now let me know if you can able to see my PPT. So we can start now. So
Yes, sir.
good afternoon,
Screen is visible.
Good afternoon, all the participant. Thank you, all the college management team, and especially sir, for inviting us here. So today's session is very interactive. Only 10 to 15 minutes we are going to learn about the basic fundamental, what is a yoga, what is a meditation, and how it will going to help you. And then maybe next 10-15 minutes we will have a practical session where we will try to learn the meditation. That process we call as a self-realization, and then we can have a question answer session, and then we can learn about how to do meditation at home. So this is a very simple format. It will finish in next 45 to 1 hour time. During this time, if you have any question, do not hesitate to ask me, or we have a question answer session at the end. So this session I want to be very interactive rather than one person speaking and you all are listening. I want this session to be more interactive. You can interact. We are discussing the Sahaj Yoga technique. So it's I am. You don't think like I am very much very expert and I have very much knowledge. I learned this technique when I am in 2011 and 12, and I got a lot of benefit from this technique. And from that time onward, I started practicing this technique, and wherever I get the time, I used to share this technique with others, and they are also getting a benefit. So there are a lot of work pressure on me when I am located in Japan. Maybe you heard about the Android mobile. That time we are working on Android. That is the latest technology which come into the market, and we have a huge pressure because there we need to release the Android and mobile phone in a market, in Japan market, and a lot of money involved. So because of so much huge pressure, I came out successfully with the help of Sahaj Yoga, and it helped me a lot. So it's my social responsibility to share with my friends, my family, and my brother and sister. That is why I am here today. Okay, so let's understand the first term. What is a meditation? Can someone please tell me what is exactly the meditation is? Anyone want to share his thought? What is a meditation is? Anyone want to share?
I would request the participants to open up and get involved. I'm sure you will also get benefited through this session.
So whatever you know, is it okay? English is okay? Should I shift into the Hindi or Marathi? Whichever language you will suggest, I am absolutely fine. Okay. So what do you think? Meditation क्या होता है? ध्यान क्या होता है? जिसको हम संस्कृत में तुरिया बोलते हैं, वो क्या होता है? to go into the peace of mind, Amol sir says to go into the peace of mind. Basically this is the advantage. If you do meditation, you will go into the peace of mind. Dr. Prachi ma'am said to connect with your inner self. Yeah, that is also the maybe that is more or less we can call as a yoga. uh, Hakim sir says mindfulness, be aware of your thoughts. So this is a totally different part of technique. That is not a meditation actually. To know oneself, that is also benefit. Concentration, that is also Divesh sir says concentration, that is also the benefit. And to control our emotions and have a stable mind, this is also a benefit. So instead of explaining this with the answer, let's understand the answer with the simple practical part. You all know that while doing a meditation, we need to close our eyes and sit at a one place, quiet place, and just close our eyes. You have seen the Buddha, you have seen a lot of old rishis. When they do a meditation, they are just closing their eyes and sitting at some place. So can we do that process, and let's understand, can we do the meditation? Can you please close your eyes for few seconds? क्या हम अपनी आंखें कुछ समय के लिए बंद करके देखेंगे अपने आप में कि हम ध्यान कर पा रहे हैं या नहीं? Can you please do that? Just close your eyes for a few seconds and observe yourself, what is going on inside your brain, inside your heart. Now you can open your eyes and let me know what is going on when you close your eyes. What is going on inside your brain, inside your heart? Can someone please tell me what is exactly going on? जब आपने अपनी आंखें बंद की थी तो क्या महसूस हो रहा था आपको? Can someone please tell me anything? Hope you all are open your eyes, or still you close your eyes. You can open now and let me know what is going on inside your brain when you close your eyes. आपने जब अपनी आंखें बंद की थी तब आपको क्या महसूस हो रहा था? अब अपनी आंखें खोल सकते हो. Okay, so anything? आपने आंखें बंद की थी या नहीं की थी? क्योंकि अभी ये वर्चुअल सेशन है, so I cannot know. Okay, so Dr. Prachi ma'am says many thoughts, past thoughts in our mind. So yes, perfectly right, ma'am. Dr. Prachi ma'am, whatever you have given the answer, this is perfectly fine and correct. There are a lot of thoughts. If you observe, the thoughts will come from the past or thoughts will become from the future. If you close your eyes, you will continuously getting a thoughts, and every day we are getting 1,000 thoughts. All these thoughts are from the past or future. Something happened with me in my past, or you are start planning for future, like after this session I will be going to here, tomorrow I will be going to do this, or after 2 months I will be planning this. So this is planning is going on for your future thoughts, or something is happening in your past. So this wave, if you observe your thought wave, it will be like this. One thought will come, it will slowly go down, then another thought will come. So this is a cycle. A thought cycle will be continuously there. Sometimes you feel a joyous, sometimes you feel a depressed, because some of the thought gives a very happiness, and some of the thought gives a very loneliness, depression. But what is the thoughtless awareness? Thoughtless awareness is a gap between two thought, where we do not have any thought. This state we call as a thoughtless awareness. In English we call as a meditation. In Hindi we call as a dhyan. In Sanskrit we call as a turiya state. So this is the state which we are going to achieve in today's practical. So it is very simple. This state we are going to achieve in a today's practical. So hope you understand the thoughts. Then what is the stress? Stress is nothing but is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. It can come from any event or thoughts that make you feel frustrated, angry, or nervous. Stress is your body's reaction to challenges or demand. But if you find a real problem behind the stress, is a thought. Exactly the thought. What is exactly happen? You have some desire, and if that desire did not convert it into the action, then you get frustrated. Then you get the stress. Anything you take, if you think that you will be tomorrow, you will be a professor, you will be HOD, but if that desire did not feel full, did not fulfill, you will get frustrated, you will get stressed. Similarly, you think that okay, my husband or my wife should behave like this, but if that demand or a desire didn't feel, you get the frustrated. So there is a gap between desire and action power, that is called as stress. And if that stress come, then you will be face a lot of problem. So how that can be handled? Okay, so let's understand first the meaning of Sahaj Yoga. What is a yoga? So again I will ask you one more question, the last question. What is a yoga? Now we learn about the meditation. Now I will ask you, what is a yoga? Can someone please tell me what is a yoga?
Realizing your own self.
Sorry sir, can you please repeat once again?
Realizing your own self.
Realizing your own self. Yes sir, you are correct, but this is more or less, it will be a benefit, that is realizing ourselves. What else? और क्या हो सकता है? योगा, योगा का क्या मीनिंग होता है? हम इंटरनेशनल योगा डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं 21 जून को, ठीक है? So what is exactly meaning of yoga? Yes sir, anyone want to share their thoughts? Body stress relief. Sneha ma'am says, ma'am you are correct, but it is a benefit. So anyone want to share what is a yoga? योगा क्या होता है? अच्छा, अगर हम गूगल में सर्च करें connection with yourself, Dr. Prachi ma'am says, Prachi ma'am, you are almost correct, but not 100%. So let me explain you. If you search the yoga in Google or any old book or even government website, they says a union or a connection. The real meaning of yoga is a union or a connection. But the connection with which entity? With your own energy, with the cosmic power. Once your connection will establish from your own energy with the cosmic power, that time the yoga will happen. So where is the energy which is located in your body? So here in triangular bone, there is a circular form of energy which we call as a kundalini. When this energy get activated and connect to the top of our head with the cosmic power here, that time the yoga will establish. And this is called as a yoga. So your energy is connected with the cosmic power. The spontaneous union of your own energy with the cosmic power is called as a yoga. You can find this definition anywhere in the book or everywhere. This is not a new. Okay, so this is how yoga. Then what is the Sahaj Yoga? Sahaj means with you, and Ja is born. So energy which is born with you and which going to connect with the cosmic power, that is we call as a Sahaj Yoga. So this energy which I am showing you in a triangular bone, which we call as a kundalini, which is in your body by birth. Every human have the way they have a eyes, nose, hand. Similar way, this energy is in their body by birth. But it is in a passive state. When today we do some practical, it will go from passive state to active state, and it goes to top of our head and connect with the cosmic power. That time the yoga will establish. And this is what we are here. So what you will carry from the today's session is the experience of self-realization, that is awakening of your kundalini shakti, the experience of inner peace, the experience of balance, the experience of joy. Once this energy get activated, you will feel the beautiful cool or hot vibration on your palm and top of your head, and for that we are here. So you may not remember this PPT, you may not remember me, but you will remember the experience which you will get today, and that will be with you throughout your life. And if you practice daily, you will get a much more successful person. Every successful leader, if you observe, they are doing a meditation. With this meditation technique, you will be innocent, your creativity will increase, you get the peace, you get the love and compassion, you will be a collectively, your communication skill will improve, you get the forgiveness power, and all your mental, physical and health problem will go away naturally. You don't need to work, you don't need to take any effort. Again, when this kundalini energy is created, that time in our body there are 3 nadis and 7 chakras is created. So the left side, which we call as a ida nadi in Sanskrit, or in scientific language we call as a left sympathetic nervous system. This is a channel of our desire. इच्छा शक्ति हम बोलते हैं इसको. The yellow line which you can see, we call as a Pingla Nadi in Sanskrit, and in scientific language we call as the right sympathetic nervous system. This is the action. This is the power of action. So we can desire here, and we can do the action with this channel. And the center path, which we call as a parasympathetic nervous system or Sushumna Nadi. On this nadi, there are 7 energy centers, which we call as a Muladhara Chakra, Swadhisthana, Nabi, Hriday, Vishuddhi, Agya, and Sahasrara. These are the 7 energy centers which is located on our spinal cord. Okay. Now let's understand what is the left side Ida Nadi. If you find a person who is always lethargy, focus on always past, is over emotional person, depression and loneliness, then you think that this is a left side person, or his left side is a imbalance. Similar way, if you find a person in your nearby who is a very overactive person, thinking always about future, workaholic person, aggressive and angry person, then you can think that this is a right-sided person, or his right channel is a weak. But the person who is in a balance, his left side and right side is balanced, he is always positive thinking person, peaceful person, completely balanced person. And we want to be this balanced person. And how we can be a balanced person? With the Sahajyoga meditation, which we are going to do shortly. Okay. So I wanted to show you one small video, but since the audio, we cannot share the audio properly. So this is the photo which you have seen is Dr. Shri Nirmala Srivastava, or whole world known him as a Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi. She discovered the Sahajyoga self-realization technique in 1917. And after that, she traveled across the world, educate the people. Today, millions and millions people are practicing the Sahajyoga, and this technique is totally free. Why this is totally free? Because as per Shri Mataji Nirmala Devi, we cannot charge money for your own energy or a natural process. So the Kundalini is your own energy, and its awakening is a natural process. So we cannot charge any money. That's why it's totally free across the world. So the Kundalini is located in your body, is your own energy, and when it activated, it's a natural process. And this natural process we are going to experience today. So this is what we can achieve with the practical part. And once this energy get activated, we feel the peace, we feel the joy, we feel the bliss, and all the blessing we can achieve with this technique. So what is the chakras? Now we have understood a detail about the nadis, but let's understand what is a chakra. Chakra is nothing but a bunch of cells which control the different body organ. For example, Muladhara chakra control the reproductive organ, Swadhisthana chakra control the kidney, pancreas, Nabhi chakra control the stomach. So what is the disease? Disease is nothing but the imbalance in this energy center. If there is an imbalance in this energy center, then the stomach is, for example, if there is an imbalance in Nabhi chakra, you get the problem related to stomach. Your digestion is weak. And if the Kundalini is awakened, it goes to the Nabhi chakra, it gives a more energy. That's why your immune power is increased, the blood flow is increased, and you can naturally resolve all your stomach problem by just concentrating on Nabhi chakra. So this is the holistic approach to resolve all your problem naturally. Okay. Now I can show you with the one graphical way how this energy get activated. If you see, this is the our body, a human body, and slowly you can see the 3 channel and 7 energy center. So this 3 channel and 7 energy center, and at the bottom you can see the kundalini energy. Once this energy get activated, it goes to the first energy center, which you can see, it's called as the Muladhara chakra. It activates the Muladhara chakra. It manifests the quality of Muladhara chakra. It control all reproductive organ and excretory organ. Then it goes to the next energy center, which we call as a Swadhisthana chakra. It generates the gray cell for our brain. It control our memory loss, concentration thing. Then it goes to the next energy center, which we call as a Nabhi chakra. From the Nabhi chakra, it goes to the next energy center, which we call as a Hridaya chakra or heart chakra. After heart chakra, this energy goes to the Vishuddhi chakra. Vishuddhi chakra is located at the throat location. Once this energy reach there, you feel the very coolness on your throat. It control your ear, nose, eyes. It improve your communication skill. It control all your skin problem. And then it slowly glows from throat to the Agya chakra, which we call as optic chasma in scientific language. And after that, this energy come out from your head, that we call as a limbic area or sahasrara. That time you feel the cool or hot vibration on your palm. So this is what we are achieving today. So why Sahajyoga is unique? Because with this Sahajyoga technique, you will be your own master. You will be your own guru. You can diagnose all your problem by on your palm. This is completely natural technique. It does not have any kind of side effect or disadvantage. It's a very scientific technique. If you refer the meta science by Russian scientist, it clearly explains all the scientific terminology. It's a very spontaneous process. No physical effort is required. If you have a strong desire, we can achieve this thing. And it's a living process. You can verify on your palm. So you all are ready. Can we start the practical part? So all participants, please let me know, can we start the practical part?
Yes, also I would request that if he or she is convenient, then you can turn on your camera, if Chandrakant sir also don't mind for it.
Yes, yes.
If anyone is comfortable, we can, means the participants can turn on camera for this session.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I will request you all participant, if possible, you can turn on your camera. That will be nice. So we all can do the step together. Just it complete in 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. So first I will explain you, Abhishek Mishra sir, your question. I know. Maybe I will answer after the program is question answer session. Okay. So thank you, Raj Jaishwal sir. I can see you. You switch on the camera. Thank you, Premwar sir. Thank you, Dr. Prachi ma'am. So let's start the practical part. There are 3 steps which I will.
Hello.
Yes.
I just want to interrupt you for a sec. We just saw that energy transformation from one state to another, like these different chakras you said.
Yes, yes.
So, is there any way to quantify or sense these energy by using the modern technology, whatever we have been seeing for the last 3-4 days?
Yes.
Means
We
like
have
flow
a
sense
lot
we can easily measure. So, what sort of energy is it? It comes in electromagnetic radiation or what?
It is a high frequency electromagnetic wave. You can measure this energy in any of the hospital where the high frequency instruments are present. So this is no problem. Maybe after the session in question answer, I can give you more detail. Okay. So all are ready? Can we start the practical part?
Please mute yourself and go ahead with this practical session. I would request all of you to please mute yourself and go ahead with this session.
Yeah. So
Please
as
continue.
Amol sir requesting everyone, please go on a mute and let's start the practical part. Okay. So we need to do only 3 steps. First step, keep 3 steps only. So the basic step or fundamental step, keep your both the hand on your lap and your palm will be facing toward the sky like this. Your palm will be like this. Keep on your both the keep on both the hand on your lap. So step number 1, raise your right hand, put on your heart. First, I will be going to explain you with the open eyes and then we will do this with the closed eyes. So raise your right hand, put on your heart, little left side. This is the step number 1. Then step number 2, raise your right hand, put on your forehead horizontally like this. जैसा सर दुखता है तो वहां पे हम आड़ा पकड़ते हैं ना, थोड़ा सा दबाना है, सर को थोड़ा झुकाना है. Press it little bit hard, squeeze our palm, move our head little down. Okay. And then third step, raise your right hand, put on top of your head, stretch your palm properly and rotate your palm 7 times clockwise direction. अपना हाथ घड़ी के दिशा में 7 बार फिराना है और उसके बाद में दोनों हाथ गोद में रखेंगे. ठीक है, ये 3 सिंपल स्टेप करना है और उसके बाद में फिर बाद की स्टेप में आंखें खोल के करना है तो मैं बताऊंगा आपको. Okay, so all the step after that I will again explain you. So all are ready, but before that I have one request. Please remove your shoes or slipper so that your feet can touch mother earth. You can remove your specs because anyway we are going to close our eyes. Okay, and keep your both the hand on your lap, palm will be facing toward the sky and slowly close your eyes. Your spinal cord should be upright and straight. अपनी आंखें बंद करना है, दोनों हाथ गोद में रखेंगे, प्रसन्न चित्त होके बैठेंगे, धीरे धीरे अपनी आंखें बंद करना है. Slowly close our eyes. Let's slowly close our eyes. Now, slowly raise your right hand and put on your heart. Press it little bit hard. And here you need to pray in your heart. Mother, I am the pure spirit. श्री माता जी, मैं एक शुद्ध आत्मा हूँ. You need to say this prayer in your heart 12 times. Mother, I am the pure spirit. श्री माता जी, मैं एक शुद्ध आत्मा हूँ. Repeat this prayer 12 times in your heart. Now slowly raise your right hand, put on your forehead horizontally. जहाँ पे हमारा सर दुखता है, टीका लगाते हैं, वहां पे अपना राइट हैंड आड़ा रखना है. थोड़ा जोर से दबाएंगे, सर को थोड़ा धरती की ओर झुकाएंगे और यहाँ पे प्रार्थना करेंगे. मुझे जिसने भी चोट पहुंचाई है, मैं उन सबको क्षमा करता हूँ. I forgive everyone whoever created a problem to me in my past. डोंट थिंक अबाउट एनी इंडिविजुअल, जस्ट फॉरगिव, जस्ट फॉरगिव। हमें सबको क्षमा करना है, किसी के भी बारे में सोचना नहीं है, सबको क्षमा करेंगे। अब धीरे धीरे वही हाथ सर के ऊपर तालू भाग पे रखेंगे। Keep our hand on top of your head, press it little bit hard, stretch our palm and rotate our palm 7 times clockwise direction. सर के ऊपर रख के घड़ी के दिशा में 7 बार फिराना है। और यहाँ पे प्रार्थना करेंगे, श्री माता जी कृपा करके मुझे मेरा आत्म साक्षात्कार प्रदान कीजिए। मदर प्लीज गिव मी माई सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन। श्री माता जी प्लीज गिव मी माई सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन। ये प्रार्थना 7 बार करना है। तो सर के ऊपर 7 बार अपना हाथ रोटेट करेंगे। अब धीरे धीरे अपने दोनों हाथ गोद में लाएंगे। स्लोली कीप अवर बोथ द हैंड ऑन अवर लैप। अब हमारे शरीर में हम कोई भी हलचल नहीं करेंगे। Our spinal cord should be upright and straight. Do not do any movement in our body, and we are going into the deep meditation state for few seconds. अब धीरे धीरे हम अपनी आंखें खोलेंगे। Slowly we can open our eyes very slowly. स्क्रीन की ओर देखेंगे। हम अपने दोनों हाथों पे और सर के ऊपर महसूस करेंगे कि हमें कुछ ठंडा या गर्म महसूस हो रहा है या नहीं। ठीक है, just try to feel some energy on our both the hand and top of our head. अब मैं सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि लास्ट स्टेप हम सब साथ में करेंगे। अगर 2 मिनट के लिए अगर आप अपने कैमरे ऑन कर सकते होगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा। So what you can all do is raise your right hand, put on top of our head, do not touch. ठीक है, उसे टच नहीं करना है। हाँ, इस तरीके से लेके जाना है, टच नहीं करना है। और थोड़ा सा ऊपर लेके जाएंगे, थोड़ा सा नीचे, थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट राइट। तो देखिए आपको कुछ ठंडा या गर्म महसूस होता है या नहीं। बहुत ही माइन्यूट एनर्जी है, हमें महसूस करना है। करके देखिए, आप लोग करके देखिए, कुछ महसूस हो रहा है ठंडा या गर्म। बहुत ही सूक्ष्म। 2 मिनट के लिए मैं सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, अगर आप अपने कैमरे ऑन कर सकते होंगे तो सिर्फ 2 मिनट के लिए कीजिए, तो हम महसूस करेंगे कुछ ठंडा या गर्म आपको हो रहा है या नहीं। अब राइट हैंड गोद में लेना है, लेफ्ट हैंड से करना है। थोड़ा सा ऊपर, थोड़ा सा नीचे, थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट राइट करके देखिए आपको कुछ महसूस हो रहा है ठंडा या गर्म। बहुत सूक्ष्म एनर्जी है। ठीक है, तो हमें एक बार महसूस करना है कि कुछ हमें महसूस हो रहा है ठंडा या गर्म। ऊपर नीचे करके देखिए, लेफ्ट राइट। 1 या 2 मिनट के लिए अगर आप कैमरे ऑन कर सकते हैं तो कर लीजिए। थोड़ा सा ऊपर, थोड़ा सा नीचे, ठीक है। अब लेफ्ट हैंड गोद में, फिर से राइट हैंड से करके देखिए आखिरी बार, लास्ट टाइम। अब दोनों हाथ आकाश की तरफ करना है, पूरी तरह स्ट्रेट, इस तरीके से पूरी तरह आकाश की तरफ। सर पीछे की ओर झुकाएंगे और यहाँ पे अपने हृदय में एक प्रार्थना करेंगे या प्रश्न पूछेंगे। इज दिस द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन? श्री माता जी, क्या यही आत्म साक्षात्कार की अनुभूति है? ये अपने हृदय में प्रश्न पूछना है और धीरे धीरे अपने दोनों हाथ हृदय के लेवल पे लाके प्रणाम करेंगे। जैसा हम प्रणाम करते हैं ना, वैसा प्रणाम करेंगे। और अपने हाथों को अब धीरे धीरे खोलना, एकदम धीरे धीरे खोलेंगे। थोड़ा सा पास लाएंगे, थोड़ा सा दूर लेके जाएंगे, फिर से पास लाएंगे। डिड यू फील सम एनर्जी बिटवीन योर पाम? स्लो करना है, स्लो करना है। आपको कुछ महसूस हो रहा है ठंडा या गर्म? डिड यू फील सम एनर्जी, कूल और हॉट? ठंडा या गर्म महसूस हो रहा है? कुछ शक्ति आपके हाथों में महसूस हो रही है? डिड यू फील? आपको कुछ महसूस हो रहा है? ठंडा या गर्म कुछ महसूस हो रहा होगा। थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे करके देखिए। ओके, सो lot of people feel the cool, lot of people feel the hot. This is very very good experience. So
Sir,
yes,
I felt vibration.
yeah, that is very good, Abhishek sir. That is very good. You can feel the cool, you can feel the hot, you can feel the vibration, you can feel the tingling effect. So this all will indicate that your energy get activated.
And towards this area, I mean on the forehead area, is it?
Yeah. You can feel on the different chakras, you can feel on different nadis. So this all you can feel.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So how is your experience? Did you feel a cool or hot breeze? How is your experience? So I can see a lot of message on chat. Wow, I am very happy to see this response. Very good. Even I am enjoying this kind of response with you all. So I don't know how much time we have, sir. Amol sir, how much time you can give? 10 minutes more you can give us, sir?
Yes, sir. By the way, we have session timing up till 1:15.
Okay. So what I have done is I am posting one feedback form here. So I request you all participants, please fill this feedback form. If you fill this feedback form, we will get your email address. So we will share you the PPT, instrumental music, and some other information on your email. Yeah, we are getting your city address, so we can give you nearby center of Sahajyoga so that you can go and practice at that location. So we request you please fill this feedback form so you will get much more information. If today time permit, I will going to teach you the foot soak technique, which will basically remove the toxic from your body, ice pack treatment, music therapy. But I don't know I can cover all this today because it will be a little difficult. But what now the important part is how to do meditation at home and question answer. So maybe we can start with the how to do meditation at home, and then we can do the question answer. So let me know, you can post your question one by one, and then I will be going to address you all together. So first thing is how to do meditation at home. Okay, so if you see the screen, I'm showing you the screen. Let me know if the screen is visible to all of you. How to do meditation at home. So you need to do 2 steps. Is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So to do meditation at home, first you need to balance your left side. Okay. To balance your left side, you need to keep your left hand on your lap and right hand on Mother Earth. And you need to just say, Mother, please balance my left side. Once that is done, then you need to balance your right side. You need to do just for 2-3 minutes and then balance your right side. So what you need to say, Mother, keep your right hand on a lap and raise your left hand toward the sky, bending from the elbow. And you need to say, Mother, please balance my right side. So once you do this right side and left side balancing, after that, what you need to do is you need to balance your left side, right side, and keep your both the hand on your lap and concentration on top of your head, and close your eyes and do the meditation. So this is what you need to do every day, from 5 to 10 minute morning and 5 to 10 minute evening. Once you do regularly, you will see the tremendous changes in your body every day. So this is what how to do meditation at home we need to do. Okay. So I'm just giving a 1 or 2 minute time. You can post your question on chat, or you can ask. So little bit warm, fill the form. Thanks, sir. Please send the form again. Okay, I can share the form again. This is a form. Do you have website? Yes, sir, we have the website. You can please fill the form. We can do. Is it possible to treat vertigo? Yes, sir, it is very much possible. Okay, and also I'm posting every Sunday. We used to do meditation on Zoom, online meditation. So if you are interested, I can post you the detail on the chat. You can please join on Zoom every Sunday. So for that, we have one WhatsApp group. If you are interested, I can post you the WhatsApp group link also. Please join that WhatsApp group. And also I'm posting my number. If you have any doubt, anything, you can always reach me anytime for your doubts. Okay. So let me post WhatsApp link also. Yeah, this is a WhatsApp link for every Sunday morning meditation.
योगा वाला भी एक खाली लेक्चर उसको साइड
Okay, any more questions?
Sir, one question is there in Q&A section.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Can you hear me?
Yes, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Okay, again, I'm just curious to know the same thing, that energy level measurement. Actually, I am finding it very much interesting for us people. So, if he can raise some of the ways to how do I measure this energy transformation, or in what range this energy could be. He said that high in high frequency energy. So we already know physical electromagnetic what spectrum of the energy, radiation, non-ionizing, X-ray, etc. So within which range do we keep these energies, and what sort of instrument should be beneficial? Hello.
Yes. Please mute yourself. He will be attending the question. Chandrakant, sir.
Okay, sorry, I'm on mute. So this energy we call as a high frequency electromagnetic waves. If you know, each particle is generating wave as per physics principle. So our body is made up of 5 elements: Mother Earth, air, water. So each once this energy get activated, it generate the high frequency electromagnetic wave, and that is wave which we are feeling on our palm and top of our head. So we have the hospital, international hospital at Mumbai. We have the hospital in Delhi. We have the hospital at multiple places where MBBS, MD, PhD doctor taking doing the research, and they have a they have an electronic instrument which you can measure. If you specifically interested on name of this instrument and other, you please fill the feedback form and put the information that you need a name of this instrument, because this is a very expensive instrument. You cannot find in a normal hospital. It will be there in a very expensive hospital like AIMS and other high big institute. Okay. Anything else?
No. Uh, Actually, you have not told me that what is the frequency range. High frequency does not tell me specifically which range. Is it in the nanoscale, or is it in the this X-ray range, and even gamma range, or even more cosmic rays, whatever? So in which range it will be? High frequency is a vague term. How do I confirm कि कितना होगा?
विमल सर, मैंने आपको बताया है कि आप मुझे फीडबैक फॉर्म फिल कर दीजिए, और आपको मैं पूरा मटेरियल, वेबसाइट सारी कुछ प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा। अगर अपन
वो मैंने फीडबैक फॉर्म फिल कर दिया, बिकॉज आई वाज जस्ट क्यूरियस कि अगर हम मेजरमेंट चेक कर सकते हैं बिटवीन दोज पीपल हु आर सपोज टू बी एनलाइटेंड एंड दोज हु आर ट्राइंग टू बी, सो देयर विल बी ए क्लियर कट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू पीपल. One is already having those chakras in active form, and another who is not yet get those activated, and there must be a different energy levels in both the person. So if we can find a way of transmitting those energy from outside to the person who is having a particular kind of disease, especially on those chakra areas whichever is responsible for those relevant disease, so could it be possible to reversal this, remove those causing agent of the disease, or can we can?
For 1 minute. Can you please hold on for 1 minute?
Sure.
Okay. I'm sharing on screen. Okay. I don't want to go in a detail. So this is the spectrum. Okay. So this is what you are trying to explain: the radio waves, microwaves, infra visible, X-rays, gamma rays, and this is beyond that gamma rays. Okay. And this is all the detail you will get on this blog, sahajyoga.blogspot. X-rays or S-rays or your choice. So it will explain the detail about the frequencies range which you are referring and other stuff. I just wanted to don't go in a technical part, because there are a lot of other questions which is very important. For example, why we feel the cool breeze, why we feel the hot breeze, and why we get a headache, how to resolve. So because of limited time, I want to give a more important to that, and this technical part you can always refer to the document which I will be going to share. Okay.
Yes. So I agree to Chandrakant sir. Vimal ji, I request you to get in touch with him personally for further details.
Yeah, I'm posting my number. You can always reach on my number, sir, Vimal sir. I will provide you all the scientific evidence. I can give you all the doctor number. I can give you all instrument, their prices, how to use it, everything I can give you. I have all material, no problem. I can connect you with the Mumbai hospital, which we call as the International Sahajyoga Health Center, where you will get all the detail, and you can interact with the doctor also. The Dr. Madhura Rai is there. You can interact with them. Any other question?
I think there are few in chat box and in question answer tab also, just beside the chat symbol, triangle, square and circle. Are you able to see, sir, or should I read it for you? Chandrakant sir?
Yeah, sir.
Are you able to see that symbol just beside the chat?
No, I could not see. Only
the third, that one. In that Q&A.
Okay. Okay, how to active the Kundalini? So Priya ma'am says how to active the Kundalini, ma'am. The process which we did, that is the awakening of Kundalini. That is we call as a self-realization. And Priya ma'am says how one will know the Kundalini is activated. So, ma'am, you are feeling the cool or hot breeze on your palm. That indicate that our Kundalini is activated.
And there are few responses in chat box here.
There any center at Khargar? Yes, sir. There is a center in Khargar. You fill the feedback form. I will give you the Khargar center address. To see the effect, one has to do meditation for few days. At the time, I will go to your new Panvel center. Yes, ma'am. We have to do at least 8 or 10 days, and then we can experience the advantage. So I request you, please go to the fill the feedback form, and we can give you the Panvel center address. Okay. So if you have any more question, you please post to me, or maybe to Deshpande sir, Amol Deshpande sir. They will give us to us. And we have the foot soak technique, ice pack treatment. If Amol sir gives a opportunity to one more program in future, we would like to teach that stuff also to all of you. Or maybe music therapy, foot soak treatment, these are a very good treatment. So we will request Amol sir, please give us one more opportunity in future, so
Sure,
that we
sure.
can this technique. And thank you sir for giving this beautiful opportunity today. I really enjoyed this session, because today the participants are so good. They did the part, all the practice and practical part they performed with us very nicely, and they did a very good way. So thank you very much sir for giving this opportunity, and thank you all
Sir,
the
I think you have not elaborated the means what is the significance of having a warm feeling and cold feeling.
Yeah.
Can
So
yes.
warm and cool breeze will indicate that if you have a cool breeze, means your body is in a balanced state. But if you feel a warm or tingling effect, that will indicate that your body is in an imbalanced state, means there is some kind of imbalance, and that will go away once your kundalini get activate, and this activation will continue, will be there once you do the meditation. So morning and evening meditation will help you to remove all the toxic from your body.
Thank you, sir. Are there any questions? Participants can unmute and ask if you want to discuss anything.
So I guess there are no more questions.
Okay.
So maybe
Will you please stop presenting meanwhile?
yeah, sir, I will stop presenting.
Is the screen visible?
Yes sir, it's visible.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so I would like to thank Mr. Chandrakant Deoda for his wonderful session, and even equally, I would like to thank all the participants for actively getting involved in this particular activity, because even I have experienced and I got influenced, and I too felt some of the breezes while having this particular practical session. That's why I insisted to follow the steps and get involved in this. I'm sure that you would have also felt some feelings, and you will surely learn through this particular experience. So thank you very much, Chandrakant sir, and please accept this particular virtual memento from Sardar Patel Institute of Technology and from our FDP team.
Thank you very much sir for such a nice certificate. I'm really happy to see this certificate. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot for inviting us. I'm very happy. Today is one of the best session I enjoyed with all of you. So thank you
Great,
all
sir.
participants. Thank you. Special thanks to Amol sir for giving this beautiful opportunity to interact with all of you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, so